In recent years, Virginia Tech scientists have made major advances in applying computational biology to problems in the life sciences. Computational biology encompasses both bioinformatics and mathematical modeling. In the Department of Biological Sciences at Virginia Tech, we use mathematical modeling as a tool for understanding the molecular basis of life. We are interested in many fundamental aspects of cell biology: cell cycle regulation, chromosome movements during mitosis, stem cell dynamics, and immune cell differentiation. In all of these areas, the computer for us is a powerful tool for understanding the molecular basis of life.
We're a very rich department with lots of different areas of expertise. It's one of our real strengths, and one of those is that we have a growing strength in computational biology, and that's something that we really have used to recruit new faculty to that interest, to build new bridges, but also to create synergy at the interface of really the traditional experimental bench biology and thinking about these results and our findings in very new and different ways.
In my group, we think of the molecular mechanisms that control the cell cycle. A major aspect of our modeling work concerns the robustness of the cell cycle in the face of molecular noise, which is inevitable in a cell as small as a yeast cell. We need both good mathematical models that accurately track the noise, and we also need solid, reliable data on the levels of mRNAs and proteins in single yeast cells. This is the sort of data that we are trying to collect now in collaboration with Jean Picot's lab at the Virginia Bioinformatics Institute.
In the collaboration that we have with John Tyson, we try to understand the importance of molecular noise on the biological process that lead to cell division. Underlying molecular mechanisms are essentially noisy and a little bit sloppy. So we try to understand in which, how is it possible for the cell to make good decisions most of the time despite the noise that's affecting the underlying molecular mechanisms.
One of the major things that attracted me to VBI and the Picot group in particular was the ability to collaborate with people from diverse backgrounds, scientific backgrounds. Part of my project, besides the collaboration with the computational biologists in the Tyson group and the bioinformaticians in the Murley group.
With Professor Tyson and with Professor Jean Picot at the Virginia Bioinformatics Institute, we are developing a nice hypothesis generation, testing and validation framework for computational cell biology. The computational models that Dr. Tyson develops are very complex and very painstaking to develop. So what we are trying to do as computer scientists is to ask if we can speed up this process. Professor Tyson and his group will look at our suggestions and decide which they could possibly include into their model. Our quick computational analysis can decrease the amount of time they have to spend searching the literature for deciding how to make the new connections.
My lab is really interested in mitosis and chromosome segregation during mitosis. The purpose of mitosis is to segregate chromosomes equally to two daughter cells, but then sometimes this segregation is incorrect. Things go wrong and you get aneuploidy, which is an incorrect chromosome number in the daughter cells. The modeling helps us a lot because we can make predictions with the model, and then we can perform experiments to test those predictions, and this has really accelerated our understanding of mitosis and chromosome segregation, has sped up the process by which we learn about mitosis. I think Virginia Tech has been promoting and encouraging interdisciplinary research for a number of years, and then having John Tyson here, who's been a leader in the field of computational biology, has been really inspiring for me. The department and the College of Science and the Virginia Bioinformatics Institute have been not just encouraging people to do this kind of research, but nurturing people that do this kind of research and providing the lab spaces and the facilities to do so.
Within the College of Science, we are convinced that interdisciplinary education needs to start much earlier than graduate school. Indeed, the very first day that students come to campus. And for that reason, we have created this new integrated science curriculum that introduces freshmen and sophomores to the fundamental principles of biology, chemistry, mathematics, and physics in an integrated and active learning fashion.
The results have been very impressive. Students are extremely happy as we bring this particular paradigm to the external constituencies. The response has been extremely supportive and enthusiastic. These skills that the students are trained through this curriculum are skills that the potential employers are all looking for. Teamwork, ability to communicate, ability to challenge. These are things that are not usually found in ordinary curriculum. The ISC is doing a wonderful job at that.
I think being a graduate student here at Virginia Tech's been really great. I've had a lot of freedom to pursue some of my own ideas and some ideas that have come from different fields, and the freedom that the principal investigators provide us here I think has been very great. The faculty are very welcoming. You can stop into their office and approach them with different ideas, and they really encourage you to pursue your own ideas and different ideas.
Thank you for visiting with us at Virginia Tech. We hope you have a new appreciation for the utility of computational modeling in cell biology. And for you students who are considering a career in computational cell biology, we hope you will consider Virginia Tech as a great place to pursue your studies.